All right, I just arrived in Crawfordville, Indiana, and it's starting to rain. So I had to quickly get the bike cover out, cover up my e-bike, and now I'm headed inside to eat and see if I can spend the night in Cracker Barrel parking lot. This will be fun. So good news, the people inside Cracker Barrel said yes. So we're gonna be camping overnight in the parking lot of Cracker Barrel. I just finished dinner in there and it was wonderful. And now it's rainy and I'm gonna get inside. All right, I am in the parking lot of Cracker Barrel, as you know, and it is rainy and it is cozy and it is nice, and I have been working on editing video tonight. But it's late, I'm gonna get some sleep, and then I'll be up in the morning to eat. So, I will see y'all in the morning. Good night. Good morning, everybody. I want to tell you, sleeping at Cracker Barrel was a pleasure. I woke up in the middle of the night with some rain on the tin roof, which was wonderful. But other than that, it was peaceful, it was safe, I enjoyed it, and now I'm going to finish getting ready. I'm off to breakfast inside where other? Cracker Barrel. Oh my gosh, to be able to walk right over to the front door and eat, yeah, that's the best part of staying at Cracker Barrel. And it's free and the people are nice. So let's go eat and then back out on the road. I just finished breakfast at the delicious Cracker Barrel. If you've never been to a Cracker Barrel, go to one. If you've never stayed overnight at a Cracker Barrel, I encourage it. If you're looking for somewhere to pull off on the highway, you don't want to spend a lot of money, Cracker Barrel is the jam. I'll be honest, I've never stayed at a Walmart before, and I'm gonna give that a go, but I think Cracker Barrel is probably like the next notch up because there's not typically traffic in the evenings. There was no problems last night. This morning it was a short walk, as you can see, back over to Cracker Barrel to get something to eat, and I absolutely loved it. I felt safe, I felt secure, it was convenient, and I would suggest staying at Cracker Barrel. I did personally ask the manager. His name was David Butler, nice guy here in Indiana, and he told me, he said, hey, thanks for asking, you go right ahead, stay if you'd like. So if you're coming through town, there's a Cracker Barrel, go in and eat, ask the manager, I think they'll say yes, and get out there, travel, spend the night in your travel trailer and enjoy yourself, even if it's in a Cracker Barrel parking lot. All right, now it's off to my next destination. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like, subscribe below. Have an excellent day.